Margao Cricket Youth Club, so he's unit secretary and the founder member. Earlier it was Margao Cricket Academy. Ata Ami, for the last 20 years, we are conducting under 15 All India tournament. Now it is called Bhikoo Pai tournament for the last 8 years. This time it rained so much that we could not prepare pitches and the grounds were wet. So under 15 boys, all the teams are here. One from Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, and this time from Kuwait, one team has come. So they are all come here, and they have found that the rains have played a spoil sport. All our grounds are wet, and we cannot prepare it because last 4 to 5 days it is continuously raining. So the pitches are also not prepared. And in Fatorda, the ground is ravaged by the parked cars, which were parked during the international football match. So there are deep tyre marks everywhere. Even the pitch also was not spared, and the cars have gone on the pitch. So this time we have to have a setback for this tournament, first time in 20 years. Otherwise, till now, all the matches is to be run very smoothly. Maybe one or two match may be interrupted by rain, but never tournament matches were abandoned. So it's a sad day for our two teams are playing small boys. They can perform 45 hours, long innings they can play. Bowlers can bowl long spells. But what, God, should be kind and allow us to, play the next matches. They have five days more now, 6 days tournament. So allow us to, dry the pitch and play the match so that the boys will be very happy.
So will it be possible, more rain?
So only we need 1 day's sunshine to prepare the pitch. 1 day sunshine. म्हणजे कडक वत म्हणटा न्ही आमी कडक वत जर एक दीस जर मेळ्ळें न्ही जाल्यार दुसऱ्या दिसा दनपार पर्यंत मॅच चालू सुरू जाता आनी मागीर चालूच उरतलो त्यो काय प्रॉब्लेम ना इवन हाफ डे जरी आमकां मेळ्ळो म्हणजे फाल्यां जाल्यार फॉर 20-25 hours आमी खेळूं शकतात आउट ऑफ 45 hours अँड देन ऑन इफ दे आर नो डेज देन द टुर्नामेंट गोज ऑन ऑटोमॅटिकली. So that is what we pray to God. So to allow us to continue the tournament.